Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how you can transfer your USDT from Kucoin to Binance. So first of all, log into your Kucoin account as well as your Binance account. Then go to your wallet on Binance and click on Fiat and Spot Wallet. And here search for USDT. Then click on Deposit and here select the network. This network should be same on Kucoin as well as on Binance. So select it accordingly. Let's select BEP20 for now. And here we will get this address. Copy this address. Open up your Kucoin account. And here go to your wallet. Click on your main account. Then search for USDT. And here click on withdraw. Then paste your Binance address here. And then select the network. The fees here is different for different networks. So we will choose the network which is better for us. Solana network is charging quite less. So we will select Solana. But we will also have to check whether we have Solana network on our Binance account. So let's check. So Solana network is available on Binance. So we will select Solana. And we will get a different address for Solana address. So make sure that you change the address now. Copy this address and paste it over on Binance and replace it with Solana. Okay, now we have Solana network's address here, and then just type in the amount that you want to send and just click on withdraw. And then you will be able to withdraw your USDT from your Kucoin to your Binance account. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.